Hi guys, Gus here. A while ago I bought myself a Nintendo Switch. It didn't come with a docking station, so people were saying try one of these budget USB-C docking stations, and it won't come out of the box. Anyway, when I finally get out of the box, there. So basically you got your USB-C there, USB there, HDMI in, another USB-C adapter, and another USB. Anyway, long story short, I bought it for my Nintendo Switch because I wanted to connect to the TV. For me, it didn't work, so I ended up chucking it back in the box, never using it again. I'll give you an example now. So I've just put my Nintendo Switch on, and now I'm going to stick it into the dock. It will light up to say it's been connected. The screen has gone off. I look at my TV, nothing at all. Doesn't work. No signal, nothing at all. So decided it's not for me. Chucked it back in the box, put it to one side, end of. Anyway, spot a docking station, put it into the dock, make sure I get in the right way. It's gone in, and fingers crossed, should come up on screen. And as you can see, it's come up on screen, all working fine. So anyway, what's the point of this video? Anyway, like I was saying, what was the point of my video? The point of my video is, I thought, well, this is no good for nothing. I'm not going to be able to send it back. It's not even worth sending it back, because I think I only paid like £5 for it. Put it on Facebook Marketplace, nobody was interested in buying it. Chucked it to one side. Anyway, now the point of the video is this. This is the point of the video. I dropped my Samsung S10 phone. Hit right in the corner, bye-bye screen. Now, I can't use the phone. So what do? So as you can see, my screen is totally knackered. The only thing that works on it now is the on-off button by the side there. Anyway, so what I've done was, I was like, oh, I just remembered this is USB-C. My Samsung S10 Plus has USB-C. I wonder if that still works. So I've connected HDMI on the side, mouse on the other side, and I've connected it up. And will it work on screen? Yes, it does. It's come up on screen. At the moment it's locked, so I need to unlock it. So can I get anything on this? No. So what I'd done was switch off. And must be a way around this to be able to access it, because I did it earlier. Anyway, there was a little bit of touch left in the bottom, so I managed to get in to the phone, and as you can see, this docking station has its uses. Even though I can't access the phone on the screen, because I've connected HDMI, I'm able to now view all my phone details on screen. So thankfully I can still access the phone, and as I'm going to try and replace the screen, I will need to switch this phone off. So as you can see now, I can with the mouse pick power off and power off. So it's just a quick video. Even though I thought I would have no use for this, I finally did have some use for it. I was able to access my broken screen mobile phone. So I hope this video might be helpful for others. Thanks for watching.